What's the meaning of clot? Clot. Clot.
Clot. Clot. A clot is a clump of blood that forms in response to an injury or damage to a blood vessel. It is made up of platelets and fibrin, which work together to stop bleeding by forming a plug at the site of injury. Clots can be beneficial when they occur in response to injury, but they can also be harmful if they form inappropriately in blood vessels, leading to blockages that can cause serious medical problems such as heart attacks, strokes, or pulmonary embolisms. Treatment for clots typically involves anticoagulant medications to prevent further clotting, and surgery may be necessary in some cases.